What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm. So today I'm going to be doing for you oven jerk chicken. Now I've washed and drained my chicken. I use lemon and vinegar to wash my chicken. You notice that the skin is on. I'm just gonna clean up all the excess ears and all those good thing that comes out, and rinse again and season. So to season my chicken, I'll be using garlic, green onion, thyme, onion, Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, soy sauce, ginger powder, browning, Maggi chicken season, some salt, and some allspice. I went ahead and I blended all my ground seasoning. This inches of garlic, 1 large onion, 4 stalks of scallion, a root of ginger, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and you name it. All the ground seasonings, you just blend them together. You can use a little water to blend your seasoning. Since I'm doing jerk, I'm using some Heineken to blend. I use some Heineken to blend my seasoning. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of this to my chicken. To my chicken, I'm adding 4 teaspoons of Maggi chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger powder, teaspoon of allspice. This is going to help to bring out that flavor in your chicken. Yes, girls and boys. 1 tablespoon salt, about a tablespoon of browning, just to give it a little color. You don't want it to be too dark, it's very strong, so a tablespoon is good. I'm going to be adding some soy sauce, my 4 tablespoons of blended seasoning, and again you can put as much of this as you want onto your chicken to get that flavor going. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Walker's jerk seasoning. I think I should do 3. Now for this, you would have to put on your gloves because it's very spicy. You don't want to get any of those seasoning in your eyes. So I'm going to pound about 10 pimento berries in my mortar, and I'm going to add that to it. And I'm going to dump that onto my chicken. Good. Now I'm going to go in with my gloves and I'm going to rub it and let it come together. I'm going to rub it. You want to massage it seasoning into the chicken. Yeah. Guys, and then you're gonna let this sit after you finish rubbing it and marinate overnight. And then I'm gonna jerk up this bad boy tomorrow for you. I'll be jerking the chicken for you. I have my pan here. My oven is at 350 degrees. And I'll be baking my chicken for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So just let me put that in the pan for you. And let's get going. So now my chicken is ready to go in the oven. You notice that I put it in a pan because I want all that juice that it is going to produce to use to coat it and to mix with my beer in order to put over it, so you have that nice flavorful jerk. Guys, to the remainder of seasoning in my container that I seasoned the chicken in, I'm gonna add half of beer, or you can add Heineken to it, and I'm gonna mix this together and I'm gonna pour it over my chicken. Then I'm gonna place that in the oven, right? So this is what is gonna help to give it that beer flavor. And you can add liquid smoke to this as well, but you don't necessarily need to add anything else. Just let it bake for that 1 hour and 10 minutes. Guys, I have about 30 minutes left on my chicken, so I'm gonna go in and turn them over just for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm gonna turn the skin up again. This time you can take the liquid and you can throw it over it. Tell you that I have had 20 more minutes to my chicken because when I pierced it, still wasn't to my liking. But what I'm doing now, I'm using the sauce that was created in the pan from the chicken and the beer that we put in there to throw over the meat. So this will help to help the fire, the heat, to absorb more of that fat out of the skin, thus allowing the skin to be more crisp. So I'm gonna let this do another 20 more minutes. As you can see here, it's still not ready. So you can test your chicken, and if it is not ready, allow it some more time. 20 minutes, and now my chicken, they are ready. Look at that. This was the piece I was having the problem with. Look at that. This is some good. So I throw off the liquid and allow it to just to like catch a little in the pot, in the pan, and now my chicken are all good. Guys, I'm gonna chop into my chicken and let us see what it looks like. It's so juicy and nice. Look at the picture.